Hey, what's up you guys? It's Daniel here with Martin Kia, going over some helpful tips and tricks on how to use your Kia vehicles. Today we're in a 2020 Kia Telluride EX trim, and we're going to go over how to use Apple CarPlay. So it's very simple. All you need is your USB cord that you use for your phone. Today it's a lightning cable for an Apple iPhone. And you take it and you plug it into the USB port down here. Plug it in. And then you also take your phone, plug in the other end. Once you do that, it's going to be prompted up here that it's reading the USB device, and it's automatically going to pull up Apple CarPlay for you guys. From here, you have access to pretty much your whole phone, including your podcast, music streaming services such as Amazon, iHeartRadio, SiriusXM if you have that subscription, and you also have navigation as well with Waze and Google Maps. This makes it very convenient to stay connected with your vehicle, and also makes it easier for use while driving. If you're having to send a text message, it's all done by voice command instead of texting while driving. There you have it. It's that easy. Takes about 3 seconds. You plug it in and it prompts itself. If this is helpful to you guys, please like and subscribe.